It's strange, but we know we're going to rebuild, and we know it's going to be a nice building again, so we have faith.
Winemaker Pierre Bierbin says he has hope as he looks over the spot where Signorello Winery once stood. The October wildfires destroyed this winery and raged through wine country, killing 42 people and burning down nearly 9,000 structures.
It's important for people to come back because we depend on tourism, and the valley is still beautiful and it's still a good time to visit.
We do need to put people back to work. We do need to make sure that our wineries, our restaurants, our tourist industry, this beautiful land is supported by the people who really care so much about it.
One of the top 5 most visited areas in the country, the 2 weeks of fires came at the region's busiest during harvest season. And while 22 wineries were either damaged or destroyed, there are more than 600 others in Napa and Sonoma that are open for business, albeit with more room than anyone wants.
Most people are very surprised. They're expecting to see charred areas, burned areas, and they're few and far between.
There is destruction here. In Santa Rosa, thousands of homes gone, families' lives changed forever. But much of it in residential areas, affecting people who are more dependent now than ever on a steady income, most likely tied to the tourist dollar.
There's been an immense amount of support from family and friends and just the community in general.
The best way that anyone interested in supporting Napa Valley right now would be to come visit.
While the Thomas Fire in Southern California also this fall is now the state's largest ever, the wine country fires are the most destructive in history, with estimated damages into the billions. While Signorello Winery hopes to reopen here in 2 years, they need to be creative to keep all their employees working. They're now taking wine tasting directly to people's homes and, of course, hitting the road to sell their wines around the country. Other wineries doing what they can to reconnect as well to change the perception that Napa and Sonoma burned down, because bookings in the wine country are down 50% from last year. Mike?
Our Adam Housley in wine country. Adam, many thanks.